To create a PayPal account without a social security number, you will need to use an individual taxpayer identification number or an employer identification number. Start by going to the PayPal website and clicking on Sign Up. Select the option for a personal account or a business account, depending on your needs. Enter your email address and create a password for your account. You will also need to provide your name, address, and phone number. Make sure the information you enter is accurate and matches the identification documents you will be using to verify your account. On the next page, you will be asked for your social security number. But since you do not have one, click on the link that says I do not have a social security number. You will then be given the option to use an individual taxpayer identification number or an employer identification number. If you are using an individual taxpayer identification number, you will need to have one issued by the Internal Revenue Service. You can apply for one on the IRS website. Once you have your individual taxpayer identification number, you can enter it on the PayPal website and continue with the sign-up process. If you are using an employer identification number, you will need to have a business license or other documentation to support your application. Enter your employer identification number on the PayPal website and follow the prompts to complete the sign-up process. After you have entered your identification information, you will need to verify your account. This can be done by linking a bank account or credit card to your PayPal account. You will also need to confirm your email address by clicking on a link sent to you by PayPal. Once your account is verified, you can start using it to send and receive payments. Keep in mind that without a social security number, you may be subject to certain limitations on your account, such as lower transaction limits. Be sure to review the terms and conditions of your account to understand any restrictions that may apply. It is also important to note that PayPal may request additional documentation to verify your identity and comply with anti-money laundering regulations. Be prepared to provide identification documents, such as a passport or driver's license, to complete the verification process. By following these steps, you can create a PayPal account without a social security number. Remember to always use your account responsibly and in accordance with PayPal's terms and conditions.